Okay, here's a quick video of the little lathe in action, showing how the variable DC drive works on it. I've got a piece of 20mm solid rod in here. I'm going to do a 1mm cut, so we'll fire up the lathe. The tacho stabilises itself at the speed. We're doing 423 roughly, and I'm on the medium feed, 1mm with a positive rate carbide tip, and we'll just run into it. That's a mil, so it's dropped down quite a lot. I'll wind her up. See, she's smoking, and we go more. Wind her up. The tips are coming off blue, and the finish is pretty good. Give her some more. So power is definitely not a problem. This is in the speed range of 0 to 810 on the gearing. Turn it down. Okay, stop the lathe. If you want to go backwards, we flick the switch. She's now reversing. So if you want to drive it back for any reason, that's what you got to do. Put it in the middle position, and just the fan, the tacho comes on, the fans drive on the motor, so it'll keep your motor cool while you're not actually doing any turning. You can just leave the fans running and it will cool things down if it was to get warm, but it doesn't really get that hot. And that's it. It's a pretty good little setup, and it only cost $100 Australian to do the whole thing. So yeah, it's a good conversion to think about.